Tesla Giga Berlin fire results in 0 injuries. A small fire in Tesla's battery assembly facility at Giga Berlin earlier this week prompted an evacuation and a temporary halt to Model Y production, though no injuries or environmental damage were reported. The incident occurred on Monday afternoon in the factory's battery production area, and local authorities confirmed that Tesla immediately reported the fire. Fire crews spent several hours extinguishing the blaze before operations gradually resumed the following day. Incident details and safety response. As noted in a report from Handelsblatt, the fire began when several stacks of battery cells fell from a conveyor belt on the first floor into a ground-level shaft. The cells ignited, with flames spreading only to the transport system on the ground floor. The Brandenburg State Office for the Environment (LFU) reported that 512 cells were affected in the incident, which is equivalent to about 2/3 of a passenger car's battery pack. Tesla did not respond to media inquiries, though the company did state that there was a small fire in battery pack production. The Oder-Spree district itself also confirmed the incident. Authorities stated that all safety procedures were followed, with Giga Berlin employees being immediately evacuated and firefighting water being fully contained within the building. A specialist cleaning firm has been tasked with handling the firefighting residue, ensuring no risk to groundwater or surrounding areas. Impact on production and investigation. Production was immediately halted after the fire, as per a report from Electrive. Drive unit assembly resumed on Tuesday afternoon, though battery pack assembly remained offline. Employees who were unable to continue their usual work participated in training programs and first aid courses while operations were paused. The affected cells that were involved in the fire have not been disclosed, though Giga Berlin currently uses CATL LFP cells for Model Y base variants and LG Energy Solution NCM cells for long-range versions. Tesla is continuing its internal investigation into the cause of the incident while cooperating with regional authorities. That being said, the district has emphasized that Tesla took all necessary measures in line with the emergency plan agreed with the local water authority and WSE. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.